it on the heartstrings. Okay? Alright. Ask for help. I'm in a special contest. You know? I want to earn the next new product of Salad Master. Who here is excited for the 10-inch electric skillet? How about the brazier pan? Ang excitement yung makabook will really result in a lot more shows and a lot more sale. If you're not excited to book, walang sale. Tama po ba? Okay. Help them get the gift too. That's another thing that we say on cooking shows. My number one goal ngayong araw na to is to make sure I help you get a beautiful Salad Master gift. That's the only job I have today. So if you like me, if you like the product, if you like the company, can you recommend me? Can you recommend me?
Yeah.
If you don't like me, if you don't like the product, hindi kayo nag-enjoy, huwag nyo nang pagsali. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Okay? So with that being said, okay, booking. Ayan. What's the goal? The goal of booking really is not just to get shows. It's always replacement. Okay? I learned this from Tita Evelyn when we were talking the other day. Ang sabi talaga niya, and it stuck to me. It's not always just the sale. Of course, di ba? We don't want to be a hypocrite. We always want to make sales, yes? We want to be in the IWC, yes? We want the contest. But the thing is, you have to make sure you meet the next host and hostesses. Sila ang tutulong sa inyo. Sila ang tutulong sa inyo. So make sure that you make friends on every cooking show. Hindi man ngayon, during that show sila bibili, definitely kailangan may connection para may next booking. Tama? In my dealership in Supreme Health Systems New York, even my distributor, Supreme Health Systems New York, almost every single consultant actually came from second and third shows. Yung mga sale na yun. Kasi nga, follow up. There is fortune always in follow up. And again, sabi nga nila, pag maraming shows, mas maraming sales. Okay? So with that being said, meron pa ba ako? Tapos na yata ako, Tita Evelyn eh. Ayan, okay. So make sure that whenever you're booking, make it fun. You know, pahawakan nyo ng Salad Master machine. You know, palakpakan natin sila. When they feel good, guess what happens? They like you. When they like you, when you ask for a favor, guess what they're gonna say? I like her, I'm gonna help her. Ilang pang show ang kailangan mo? Have you experienced that sometimes? But you have to make sure you tell them what your goal is. Kasi kaagad, pag nakita natin ang tao na may dala-dalang cookware, guess what? Naku, may bebentahan ako nito. May kailangan siya sa akin. Nakasulat dito sa harap. Diba? So make sure you also have a very clear script to book. Make sure they know that from the start. Get go. My number one goal is to help you get a beautiful Salad Master limited edition piece. If you like it, will you recommend me? Yes. Ganun lang po, okay? And make sure you know your earliest open dates. Kailangan yun. Make sure you have the next 2, the next 3, the next 4. Earliest po, not next month. It starts now, okay? And make sure you also have a follow-up thank you. Kasi minsan yun ang nagiging issue natin. Nasulat na lang sa papel, nakalimutan natin, di ba? Sometimes right after the show, it's always good to make sure na nag-text na, nagpa-thank you ka na. Kasi para memorable ka. Make sure your show is memorable. Make sure you're memorable. And let's make it the best month in business ever. Thank you so much, guys.